Chenyu Zhou from Material Science will talk about water to fuel, fiction or fact?
Just like we need to drink water every day, our cars also need to drink liquid, which we all know is gasoline, the most common kind of fossil fuel. However, there is one big difference. Water is renewable and can be viewed as unlimited, but fossil fuel is finite. It is well known the shortage of fossil fuel has become a big problem for a long time, and the combustion of fossil fuel can lead to greenhouse gas emission, which is another environmental issue faced by us humans. So it is of great importance to seek renewable and sustainable fuel. Sunlight and water are two most abundant and easiest accessible renewable resources. Speaking of sunlight and water, what physical chemical phenomenon can you think of? I guess the answer is very likely to be solar cell for sunlight and water electrolysis for water. All right, let's think deeper about these two techniques. Solar cell converts solar energy to electricity, while water electrolysis uses electricity to split water into hydrogen and oxygen, right? Hold on, what did I just mention? Hydrogen. We finally find this clean energy because the combustion of hydrogen will only generate water without any pollution. So it is very natural to come up with an idea that integrates these two techniques together to make sustainable and renewable fuel. Actually, this is what my PhD thesis focuses on, which is called photoelectrochemical cell. It seems to be a long word, but it's easy to understand. It's compounded of three parts. Photo is a prefix representing light, electro is electricity, and chemical corresponds to chemical reaction. So it means a material absorbs solar light to generate electricity inside, then trigger chemical reaction for chemical fuel, like water electrolysis using generated electricity. As a material scientist, what I do in my research is to make improvement in each step of the three by making modifications on single material or fabricating multiple materials together. Now that we have had ideas about this technique, let's go back to the title of my talk. Is water to fuel a fiction or fact? My answer is it was fiction, and it will be fact soon. Although the photoelectrochemical cell has made great advance recently, its efficiency is still not high enough for commercialization. But I believe it will be realized in the near future with efforts of our material scientists. Perhaps 30 years later, you can tell your grandchildren, do you know what car drinks? It drinks hydrogen. Thank you.